Well, good Thursday to you. It's Dan. I want to welcome y'all back to my home in the sticks. Lord of mercy. Hope everybody's having a wonderful Thursday, kind of like a pre-Friday. But in this video, I wanted to talk to you and y'all about a couple of things. Give me a second, and that's what we finna do. All right, first thing that I wanted to talk about was I wanted to say thank you to you and y'all that attended or jumped in on that first live stream here at the Home in the Sticks. I wanted to make mention of that in the last video, but you know how it goes. I just get to rolling and I forget about things. Again, I wanted to thank everybody that stopped by, just say hello, and join me in that first live stream. I sure would like some input from you and y'all on the live streams. I actually wanted to change my Shack Chat to like a Shack Chat live stream. So y'all give us some thought, tell me what you think about it, and yeah, we'll see what we can do with that, because I sure enough like interacting with everybody on the live streams. So that's number one. Number two that we're going to talk about today is this thing right here, the Pit Barrel Cooker. Yes, I did a Show Enough Good Cook on Wednesday. I think it was Wednesday. Yeah, the 4th of July, Independence Day. I guess my question is, what do you do to maintain your cooker whenever you get done with it? What I thought I'd do is just a little short thing on how I maintain a pit barrel cooker. Pit barrel cooker or any cooker, barbecue, barbecue grill, whatever you have, it's a piece of equipment. How do you maintain it to take care of it? In order for it to run right, you got to take care of it, right? So I thought I'd just show you what I do with mine, how I maintain it. Now, what I'll say is the pit barrel cooker comes with several accessories. One of them being that ash catcher down at the bottom of the thing that holds the coals. That thing right there. In my opinion, this thing right here is worth its weight in gold, because you really don't have to, you got to do a little bit of cleaning down at the bottom of this pit barrel, but you see it's not really a lot. It's just a little bit of ashes around the bottom of it. So that's a big plus in my opinion. So it's an accessory. And if you're thinking about getting a pit barrel cooker, that is a worthwhile investment if you do decide to get a pit barrel cooker. And it actually slides up on these legs right here. See those legs? It just slides on there and it slides on, and there you go. Pretty cool. Now, as far as cleaning the pit barrel cooker, the best way to clean this guy right here is to clean it while it's hot. When you're cooking, you just get you a damp towel and just wipe it down. Top, sides. That's the best way to clean it while you're cooking it. You could clean it while it's cool, that's fine, whatever works for you. But I found the best way to clean this pit barrel cooker is while it's actually hot and you're cooking something. I'm gonna show you something else too. Okay, now what about the stuff that you use inside of the pit barrel cooker, being it the hooks, the grates, whatever it is that you're using to cook the product that you're cooking. Right here is all of the actual hooks that I was using in yesterday's cook. Oops. As you can see, they fairly clean. What I do is, once I take the hooks out of the meat, I have just an old measuring cup, fill it up with water, and I drop these hooks down into the measuring cup and let them soak. And what that does is, soaking it, of course, is going to loosen up all of the stuff, the grit, meat, whatever that's on them hooks, and they will come out sparkling but clean. I'm here to tell you. Word of caution though is, if you do use these meat hooks in pork or meat or whatever it is that you're using them, you need to make dang sure that you actually cleaning those hooks really good. You don't want to contaminate the next meat that you use them in, be it whatever it is. As far as the grate, the grill grate, I actually clean this grill grate every time that I use it. And I don't know if you can see it, but oops, got hung up. You can see that there is a bright spot in the middle and then dark spots on the ends. That's because that's where the meat's at, and I clean it every time that I use it. I'm walking backwards, y'all, just to keep y'all, so you don't Yeah, because it's like starting to get dark over here. I've just found, and then again, I'm analytic like that. I found that every time I use the pit barrel cooker, if I just go ahead and clean it as soon as I get finished using it, and I don't mean just, 5 minutes after it's finished. No, as soon as that pit barrel cools down, I'm taking it apart and I'm cleaning it. So I wanted to share this little video with y'all just to show you how I maintain a vital piece of equipment here at my home place. It's the pit barrel cooker. It goes the same for my Okie Joe smoker back there and my other grill. Really can't tell, but over here we have bad problems with pollen. Pollen just gets over everything. But I will tell you, this pit barrel cooker right here is spoiled. It actually stays inside my shop. That's where I keep it. Another cool thing I wanted to show you, and it's also an accessory, is this guy right here. It's just a cover for the pit barrel cooker. Yes, I have one of those too, because once I'm done cleaning it, I cover it up. So it can last a long time. So y'all, there you have it. If you like this video, go on and give it a thumbs up to help. If you have not subscribed to the Homeless Chicks channel, Lord of mercy, y'all need to come on over and give me a look, because I'm always doing stuff. Really. With that being said, you know what's coming. Dan sure enough gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. I mean nobody. You get your shine on. It's that important. And we will see you and y'all in the next video.